Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In today lecture, I gonna share about how to use press tag to 1 release to 0 and press tag to 0 release to 1. Two type of button means button is one, but we can select a action. Same button you can select two action. One action press tag to 1 release to 0 and second action press tag to 1 release to press tag to 0 release to 1, vice versa. Because of when you will learn how to use, how to create a pop-up and add-on instruction, so all this button combination you have to use it. So that's the reason I am starting this series combination of button Studio 5000 and FactoryTalk View Studio, so that you can easily understand how to use button with use Studio 5000 tag. So if you don't know how to create a toggle, so on this topic I already created a video. You can go on my YouTube channel, you can go playlist, either you can go on my YouTube channel and watch them. So let's see how you can create. So first you have to create a tag. So for the tag, here click on controller tag. You need to add a tag. Either you can add a first tag, either you can directly write a logic, and you can add a new tag. There is a two option. So better option is directly click on program and his main routine Studio 5000 with FT. I was given name for video purpose or training purpose, and also you can give any name for the learning purpose. So here you can see one run, click on run, and take a one examine on means and no contact. Here you can write BUTTON button 3. I was created some button previously, that's the reason here is showing. So button 3 and output coil. Here you can write any tags, not motor one. You can write any tag MORTOR motor underscore MORTOR motor underscore 5 4 MOTOR motor 4. So how you can create tag? So click on right click on tag, right click. Here you can see many options. So simply for the add a tag, you need to click on new button. Here is showing button 3 tags. You can write any description if you want, and downside you can see base. Base means memory tag. It means it is not, we are not, you cannot connect this tag to PLC input tag, means PLC card input tag. And channel number, you cannot connect this tag with channel number. So that's the reason, because it's memory tag, it will contain memory of inside of PLC. You cannot connect directly to the input. For the input I will explain later in my coming videos. Alias, we are not going alias. You don't need to select alias for memory tag. Alias you can select for IO tag. I will explain in later. In my coming video I will explain, when I will explain how you can do IO mapping on that time. So here you can see also Studio 5000 YT. FT means its scope of program. You can see here Studio YT FT. So this is a name of program. That's the reason here is showing Studio YT FT scope. Read write, because you can read and write both. This tag from SCADA you can write and also you can read. And his style should be decimal, because you are going to use 0 and 1 number. So number, whenever you are going to use number, so number should be decimal. It's very common things. Same tag is created, motor 3 tag, a new tag, motor 4, click on create, 2 tag is created. So I will explain same tag how you can use press tag to 1 release to 0 and press tag to 0 release to 1. Either you can create another tag, control W. Next tag for press tag, this tag is for press tag to 1 release to 0, this tag is for press tag to 0 release to 1. So button 4. Either you can edit this tag button 3 to press 1 release 0. So you can write press 1 underscore 1 press 1 release 0. Release 0. Same for button 4, you are going to new tag, create a new tag, so paste same tag and this should be press 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 1 0 and release 1. Great. This spelling is wrong, so need to be right. Press PRESS. Like so, and here also you need to create a new tag. So it is a motor 4 tag, need to be changed motor 4 to motor 5. And also it's one shortcut I will please observe one shortcut. You can directly use control W, and control W, click on create, it's created, click on save. So step number 1 is completed. Step number 2, you need to download this program into Studio 5000 Logic Simulate. So for the download program, simply click on communication and who active. If you don't know about how to connect Studio 5000 and Studio 5000 Logic Designer and Studio 5000 Logic Simulator, so on this particular topic I was already created a video, so you can watch also those videos. You can watch all these videos for better understanding. If you don't know, let's click on download. Communication already done between Studio 5000 Logic Simulate and Studio 5000 Logic Designer and driver Wrestling Classic. That's the reason here it directly showing slot number and I'm going to download. So if you already if you in your laptop communication is done, so no need to communicate again and again. Only software should be open. Here you can see Wrestling is already open. If software is open and communication is done once time, so no need to communicate again and again whenever you will open software. So but when you will open means when software will open, so need to select one only, it will automatically communicate because path is already selected, so no need to add again and again. Simply click on download. You can see program downloading is downloading, program is downloading. It's now finalized download. Now it's downloaded and reading change. So now you can see that done downloading has been downloading done. Change controller mode back to run mode. Now controller mode is in program mode. You can see here it is in program mode. So you have to select in the run mode. So click on yes, and you can see it's changed the program mode to run mode. So next steps, you need to open FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can enter FactoryTalk View Studio. So in step number 2, simply open your display. So I was created a one display, so I will use same display. If you don't know how to create a display in FactoryTalk View Studio and how to do setting, how to create a new display, how to do setting, how to create if you don't know how to create a display, So simply you can visit on my YouTube channel and you can see it's fully I was created a one video on particular topic how to do setting each and everything I was explaining. So now open your screens. So here there are two button I was taken before. So same button I'm going to use. Simply double click on it. You can see, you can select any you can, here you can see style, you can select any style. No border, 3D, recessed, recessed and wavelet. You can select any style whatever you want. Example 3D. And here you can see capture cursor. So for the detail about button, I was created particular topic also on the button, and I was explain each and everything on button. So I'm not going to detail any, I'm not going to explain in detail of button. Action, I was previously taking one tag, so here set tag to 1, release to 0. So simply you need to take it button, drag and drop it here. So here is by default is selected 3D. So in other also you can select capture cursor. Capture cursor means during online, during runtime, button will capture automatic your capture cursor of your laptop. So you can select if you want, either you cannot select. Now I'm going to, so now I am selecting capture cursor. Index 4, it means index, how many index it's taking. Highlight when object has focus. Whenever your cursor will be focused on button, so on that time button will be highlighted with green color. Action. So here you have to select action. So which action you want to select? You want to select, so which action you have to select? You have to select setting, set tag to 1, set tag to 1 on press and release to on 0. And here is a 3 dot, click on 3 dot. Sometime it's issue of FactoryTalk View. So sometime it's showing here, you can see right side is white, means it's loading, it will take some time. Right click, here you can see refresh folder. And if you don't know how to browse tag, how to communicate Studio 5000 with FactoryTalk View Studio, FactoryTalk links with Studio 5000 logic simulate. So on particular topic also I was created one video, you can watch this. Click on show server name. Here you can see two different server, FTV Studio and FactoryTalk links. So here you need to click on FactoryTalk links. Here after whenever you will click, so FTV Studio, it is a FTV Studio, you can see FTV Studio. This is your it's your project name. Click on plus icon, again click on plus icon, and also you can click on online. So here you can see all tag, you can browse here. So what tag I was created now, you remember I was created press 1 release to 0. Here is a 1 OK button. And next is up appearance. In the up appearance you can see journal option. बहुत पेशेंस से धीरे धीरे एक्सप्लेन करेगा, धीरे धीरे पेशेंस से, बिना प्रेशर के। ये तो अपना है, ये तो अपनी खेती है, कोई जल्दबाजी तो नहीं। So here you can see back style. Back style means style of button. Back style of button. You can select transparent, gradient or solid according to your requirement. I'm not going to detail because if I will explain details, so video size will be increased, timing of the video will be increased. in particular topic I was created a video, you can watch them also. Here you can write you can write caption, press tab, press, you can write caption, press tab to 1, press tab 1, press tab 1, release 0. And font, you can select any font. Here is a many font, example Rockwell. Rockwell also is one type of the font. And font size, you need to select font size, whatever font size you want, you can select. Then force color means, and here one thing I will explain you. Please remember, always remember, you can apply box rule, means it is a one box. So focus on one box. When one box setting is complete, then you can move for the second box caption, then you can move third box image setting. So like that you can train your brain one by one, otherwise you will confuse which action you want to use. Up appearance, down appearance should be like a up appearance. So if you want same up appearance, down appearance same like up appearance, so you can click here same as a up appearance and click on OK. So one step is completed. You can see button. So what is the size of button? Here you can see 180/49. So 180/49, column height is 49, width is 180. Click on OK and take a rectangle. So I was taking a rectangle, same rectangle I will copy and paste. So here for the animation, click on it, click on animation and select color. So click on expression. Here what you need to do, you have to browse tag. For browse tag, you need to click on tags. You can see here all tags, whatever tag you created. So now I was created a motor tag 4. So click on motor tag 4. If you have any other tag, so you can select your tags, whatever tag you created, no problem. And here after that you need to click on OK, and here you can see check syntax. Syntax should be valid, always syntax should be valid. Click on OK, because whenever button tag will 1, so on that time, but sorry one thing here, tag motor tag should be 5, because press tag to 1 logic, no, press tag to 1 is 4. Okay, you can see value 0. ये करना ही ना पड़े कि मुझे एडिट करना पड़े, बस ऐसे हाँ, मतलब एक रफ्तार में पूरा एडिट स्टार्ट होगा. Value 0 means whenever button motor tag value will be 0, on that time rectangle color should be visible, rectangle color should be red, and whenever tag will be changed, tag value will be changed, become 1 to 0, so rectangle color should be changed. Also line color you can change, example you want green color, you can select green. Sorry, it's green is matching, so you can select red also, no problem. And line fill style is solid, shaded, original and gradient. There is a 3 type of style, so I'm not going to explain detail. And click on apply and close. One step is completed. Button in step number 2, one step first is completed, second is In the second you don't want to do more, you need to align it, and simply press tag to 1, release 0 is completed. Now next is button is press tag to 0, release to 1. So double click on button, click on action. Here you need to select action, set tag to 0 on press and to 1 on release. Click on it. In up appearance you need to change only one thing. What you need to change press tag to 0. So release to, and action you need to take tag also. So I hope you remember which tag I was created. You can see press 0, release 1. Click on it, then click on OK. You can see press tag 0, release 1. Same thing, right click on rectangle. Here you can see animation, then you can see color. Click on color and click on expression. You can delete this expression. Then you need to click on tag. Here you can see all tag, but you need to only one tag. Which one? Motor 5. In your case maybe motor 3, motor 4, or any other LED or any other tag, because it's basic, so I'm not going to explain this more detail. Click on OK, check syntax, OK. In this condition you can change color. Example, fill color is you need blue, fill color you need yellow, and in one condition when value will 1, so fill color you need blue. Apply and then close. For testing you need to create runtime. So I was created runtime, so I will not create again. If you created runtime once time, so you need no need to create again and again. You can use same runtime again and again, and whenever you will change something inside of SCADA, so run in the runtime it will uh, reflect automatically. So no need to create a runtime again and again. If you are creating, if you are changing some display setting, then you can edit directly. And if you don't know how to create runtime, so you can see my latest video how to create a runtime in 30 minutes. So double click on runtime. So now I not edit anything. I not edit anything, but here now in the runtime it should be reflect. So you are very close to know about how is working. So it's completed. Now it's going to open. Here you can see display header DT. It's open. So need to be click button. So here you can see your capture cursor is capturing by button. You can see I was selected capture cursor. That's the reason it's capturing automatically. No need to capture again. It's capture cursor. So let's see it's working or not. So for that you can click on it here and drag and drop like this. You need to observe. Now here you can see press 1, release 0. Tag is press 1, release 0, and motor output is 0. And if you remember, in 0 condition, which color I was taken? You can see here 0 condition red and line line color is black. You can see red back color and line color is black. And in one condition, line color is red and fill color is black. So same, it should be reflect here. So observe, I am going to press. So during press, you can see when I am pressing, in this condition, tag value become 0 to 1. I cannot show logic now, but now because of its property of when I will click here, it will automatically close, logic will be closed. But you can see I cannot split more, otherwise I can show you, but it's 100% working. You can see same tag I pressed. Now you can observe border color is red and back color is green. And in this condition, press tag 0, release 1. Whenever, because it's tag already 0, tag value you can see, press tag 0, press 0, release 1. Tag value already 0. So whenever you will press and release, so in after that, when you will release again, so tag value will be become 0 to 1. So it means when I will press, what should happen? On that time, color of rectangle should be changed, right? So let's see it's changing or not. So I pressed and I released. I'm not doing anything now. So let's see in the logic what happening. You can see I pressed and released. So when I released, it is 0 to 1, vice versa. I was pressed and when I was released is from 1 to 0, and in this condition is from 0 to 1. And you can see motor 5 means it's tag only, not motor in actual. Motor 5 value is tag values. Motor 5 output is energized. If whenever press again, whenever you will press in till now only, now it's I pressed and continuous I pressed, pressing. When I will release, become it be 0. Now I pressed. Whenever you will press this button, so you will observe button value is changing from 1 to 0, and when if you will release, it's 0 to 1 again. You can see again here 0 to 1. So thank you for watching my video. So observe that logic response when you button press and release, when press since 1, and when you release since 0. If you this tutorial helped, give it a like and drop a question in the comment box. If you had any question or doubt, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel PS Automation for more industrial for more Rockwell tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next video. If you learn from this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for learn more about Rockwell software. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep sharing, and keep earning. Thank you. Have a great day.